वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने जंगी जराइम पर इजराइल को कटहरे में लाने का मुतालबा कर दिया। वज़ीर आज़म ने इजरायली अज़ाइम को नाकाम बनाने के लिए इस्लामी ममालिक की टास्क फोर्स बनाने की तजवीज़ भी दे दी। वज़ीर आज़म ने अरब इस्लामी हंगामी सरबराह इजलास से खिताब करते हुए दोहा पर इजरायली हमला अमन की कोशिशों के लिए बड़ा धचका करार दिया। कहा कि इजराइल ने बरादर मुल्क कतर की खुद मुख्तारी और सलामती की खिलाफ वर्जी की, इकदाम ना किए तो तारीख माफ़ नहीं करेगी।
The role of peace mediators is always deemed inviolable and held sacrosanct. They are the messengers of fragile hope of keeping dialogue alive to advance prospects of peace. Israel's genocidal campaign has reduced Gaza to rubble and ruin. The world shall always bear the scars of this unending carnage etched on the very soul of humanity. Injustice has reached an unbearable level. This must stop and stop now. Excellencies, Pakistan reiterates the following urgent and essential steps. Israel must be held accountable for its war crimes against humanity. Creation of an Arab Islamic task force to adopt effective measures to ward off Israeli expansionist designs. We reiterate the OIC's call to suspend Israel's membership of the United Nations. Fourth, member states should actively consider implementing other appropriate measures against Israel. The UN Security Council must urgently demand from Israel under Chapter 7 of the UN Charter an immediate, unconditional and permanent ceasefire, release of hostages and exchange of Palestinian prisoners. Sixth, guaranteed, sustained and secure humanitarian access to all civilians in need and the protection of aid workers, medical teams, journalists and UN personnel. Above all, Excellencies, we must achieve a just, comprehensive and lasting two-state solution with creation of an independent state of Palestine with pre-1967 borders and Al-Quds Al-Sharif as its capital.